Bill na ye pass ye no. Dear na ye wuntia. I said, "Oh, you desa uhuru dum, ehuru dum, ehuru dum."
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Your microphone here, your microphone here. Yeah, microphone here. You are not now. Question will be so. You are not the man of bed. Assembly. Yeah, Emma, ye.
Yeah, my family. And come over by and offer message. She took them crowd for me. I didn't. I said, "Oh, last Saturday near Canada."
The chance in beer with tea.
I know what you say.
We chance in the tina mede e ho aduane. No,
I know. Ah, what you
say. So bisa say me ye other topics am mfrɛ. Enti die na me ye the passage of cannabis bill a me mfrɛ. Wona me say ewi ase chance bia ne de bɛyi. Ni ti enti kwa pia once and say chance bia wo ni ti.
I know na wo kana wo bese wo kyerɛ mu say. Bese me nyan kyerɛ mu free asema wo kana ho.
Oswa no we na ebo.
Anyway.
So Evans, let's dive into the details of this.
Yes.
Now, section 43 of Act 1019 authorizes the minister based on commission's inquiry recommendation say young granted license for the cultivation of cannabis, commonly known in Ghana. However, we have been limited due to its constitutional nature. When we say namra wa Ghana ha, say ubetumi kura use the cannabis no, but under a certified medical recommendation, say be a doctor, and I say ubine de na interior ministry no, but now Ghana your law, your constitution no. No, all this while there was a law. Yeah. There was a law.
Airport
there was a law. The Ghana had Act 1019. Ewo hodada. Emma Quine says, be a JB. We are now call hospital. Now Doctor Catch us say, second episode year drew.
Yeah, sure.
I don't need no baby.
Yeah, sure.
Now Doctor Catch us say, it's recommended says to say we nya a be call we need podium. Now you recommend the mount. Maybe a fire tea, fire and quine, fire sani man and I say, yeah, and any we see in the Dr. Bian recommended.
And you recommend the mass of also.
Oh, no, they can.
So for Benum.
Oh, why not? Why not? Why not? I mean, so it's a law, but however, there was a constitutional provision.
Okay.
And now also say, so it's a criminal offense.
Ukrebia.
Yes. Possession of it, smoking it was a constitutional provision and a criminal offense.
However, the byproduct now say the fresh one.
The fresh byproduct. And on a parliament, I pass a law now. Oma rectify that constitutional provision. For now, we are able to use it for industrial purpose.
Yeah.
Okay. I've heard what you say. So now Parliament has rectified
for industrial purposes.
Yes.
Not for individual use.
Consumption. No.
I see.
For industrial purpose.
I see.
For industrial purpose, you can produce it. The who person do be now tonwa. I will Ghana ha. Wait my kwakwaji
licenses.
It's your who say me first say na man na say bishop ho. Na police will bet me actually. No.
And it's only the Ministry of Interior and everything that permission. The Ghana court also.
Yes, Supreme Court.
Criminalization say whatever it is criminal. Then Parliament went to do amendment. In less than 48 hours, 72 hours, no must rectify a baba.
Because when you come in terms of this law. You know, say, "I'm not able to Ghana has here. I'm penning for our pass to say, I'm Ghana for." But sir, I'm now we know about cannabis. No, all that we know is a colonial laws. A laws so especially young Africans, because said the can cannabis here. Any party am right to me. You must say a dear body. A habanya a Kenyan couple body. And you know, in no way, in no circumstance, I was a copper sebia. Yen the Pacraka sebia. A part of Nakupon body. Eba na say na de yempanefo hu say Sadia we no say ye. If the Omoko America, Omoko Europe, Omoko Amanfo Mansuno. Omo ye ko bobesin omo nchen no mu sa omokro dua de ye ne papa amafa adwene omo se bia se ka se wi ni dia de obi hye na bi mu no mo ne ade enso e ba wi mpaboa wi ntade ene ma manfo de ye o wiase a
wi ntade nyina ho
na kofi na wotu kwan kwa America uko US no aya kwa shops na kohwe wi mpaboa wi ntade ai de fiber na ye
to grant a license for the cultivation of cannabis, which has not more than 0.3.
Kumo Ejana so Akoma Adia Chiabiao Kumo Minim sa Ukuso Shisha Kumo
driveway spaces for industrial purposes, for obtaining fiber or seed, or for medicinal purposes.
Honorable members, the Narcotics Control Commission Amendment Bill 2023 is deemed read the third time and passed.
So, that is the Kumo man in the house, yo.
We're Kumu, if the parliament neighbor, with Kumu, I say free parliament. And I call you the Supreme Court. And the Yakuma from Kuma said, a parliament, I didn't hear kind of
break it down.
Yeah.
I didn't say.